Is your outreach being ignored? If you're watching this, you're probably trying to get traction with your outreach. You might be firing off cold DMs, you might be doing emails, you might be doing connections on LinkedIn and hearing nothing but crickets. But why the hell is no one replying? Let me save you some time and sanity, because I've spoken to hundreds, if not thousands of people in my own DMs about this, and I've seen the same problem over and over and over again. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you exactly why it's happening and how to fix it today, okay? Deal? Let's dive in. Here's what I see when people show me their outreach messages. Template terrorism. Same templated pitch, same blasted message, same fake personalization like, hey name, love what you're doing on your YouTube channel. Or even worse, hey name, I saw you have a big audience. Seriously, if you're doing that kind of shit, you've got to stop it, because you're treating outreach like spam. And the smarter business owners you actually want to work with, well, guess what? They see right through it. Here's the golden rule. You've really got to slow down to speed up, okay? Sending 20 or 30 thoughtful, personalized one-to-one messages manually and getting 5 to 10 quality responses, that will move your business faster than blasting 1,000 lazy copy and paste templated messages that go straight to junk. So take this in. You're not trying to land just anyone who will have you. You're not really a door-to-door vacuum salesman. At least I don't think you are. So you're probably trying to partner with like really high caliber businesses that you can really solve some big problems for, because the bigger the problem, the bigger the amount you get paid. And what we do in my community is we reach out to businesses and we say, have you got any old leads that we can turn into sales using AI and SMS? And we do this on a performance basis, which means if you don't get paid, we don't get paid, right? So the bigger the business, the higher caliber the business, and the better they are at what they do, the more leads they're gonna have, the more old leads they're gonna have, and the more money they can make and we can make as a result, okay? So you wanna be working and reaching out to businesses that wanna actually have a conversation with you, not some business that you're trying to sell vacuum cleaners to. Let's get into the nuts and bolts, because most people screw this part up too, all right? First, clean up your LinkedIn profile. If it doesn't clearly say that you help businesses with that solution, then why would anyone respond? You don't want to be kind of really generic, okay? Number 2 is build a really legitimate hit list. Don't just grab some random CSV file and hit send all in some kind of fancy LinkedIn automation, email scraping, bonanza tool. I don't even know what they're called, right? You can use Sales Navigator's free 30-day trial and sort leads by people who are active on LinkedIn. Dead LinkedIn accounts equals dead DMs. Number 3, cross-check their profile manually. If they're not in your target audience, bin them. Number 4, go multi-channel. So some people live in their email, others check out Facebook daily. My point is that if you build this hit list and you really want to work with these people, then it doesn't just have to be LinkedIn. It doesn't have to just be Facebook. It doesn't just have to be email. You want to take the time, slow down, and reach out to them with your offer everywhere. And you won't know until you do a test. But whatever you do, do not copy and paste the same message across 5 platforms at the same time. That's how you're going to get blocked or ignored. Mix it up and be human. Number 5, if you're using email list tools, don't send to crap like info@ or support@. Use tools like hunter.io to grab real contact details. And this is where the magic happens, okay? Once you've done all of those 5 things, and no, I'm not going to give you a template. Templates are for zombies. Instead, here's a framework. It's simple. Use your brain and be human and follow this. And it's called finding their baby. And when I say baby, it's what the business owner might be proud of. Okay, what's their passion project? What are they showing off? Check their recent LinkedIn or Facebook posts. Have a look at their blog. Read their mission statement. See if they're supporting a charity. Go and have a look at their bio. Is there something quirky in there that they're talking about? Go find their baby and talk to them about it, and they will pay attention. Step 2, now it's time to hit a hot button. And this is a specific pain or point or desire. It's got to be something emotional. You want to press a button that gets them to feel, yes, I need you to fix that now. Then show them how you are the person who can deliver that result. Step 3 is trim the fat, okay? Write your message, then cut it in half, and then cut it again. No fluff, no big expectations, no hard pitches, just clear, friendly, and direct. Step 4, and this is really important, end with a really easy question. Do not end with something like, so would you be open to jumping on a 30-minute call this week to explore our synergies, just stop doing that crap. Ask a question they can reply to without thinking. So something like, hey James, how's the fundraising going? All right, the fundraising is something they really enjoy doing, okay? Not long until the team skydives. Skydiving must be their baby, right? Something really exciting that they're doing. And I know summer usually means solar companies are slammed. Are you guys still taking on new installs? It sounds like a friend. It doesn't look or feel like a cold pitch, but it kind of is. And this is the mindset shift that people miss. Cold outreach should feel like warm outreach. And that's how you get responses. Now, you might be thinking, Dan, that's great, but I don't even have any clients yet. I haven't got any case studies to reference. I don't know what I'm doing. What the hell do I do? Well, here's what you do. Pull out your phone and message 10 to 15 people you already know, something like this. Hi, name. I hope you're well. I've just made a big career pivot and I've gone out on my own helping businesses with XYZ. And XYZ could be AI, it could be making sales from old leads, it could be lead generation, whatever it is you're selling. I'm just wondering if you know anyone who might need help with this. There's no begging or there's no hard sell. Just tap up your network of people that already know, like, and trust you, okay? That's your in. So even if one single person refers you to someone, then that's your foot in the door. So listen, stop spamming, stop automating. In a world of AI and automated outreach and tools and all of this stuff, right? You've got a real opportunity to speak to someone one-to-one. That old personal one-to-one, real stuff, real relationship will kick a marketing robot's butt any time of the week. You don't need to blast 1,000 people a day to get results. You just really need 5 to 10 real conversations a week with people you've actually taken the time to research and care about. That's all you need. So get off your ass, slow down, and do it properly. I guarantee you'll get better results. So if you want help with this stuff, and if you want real-time feedback and real help from people doing outreach, specifically helping businesses with AI automation, then you should join my free community. It's called the AI Automation Agency Ninjas on School. We're not about spam. We're not about chasing every shiny object. We're about getting you results and building a business that doesn't feel like death every day. The link's in the description. Get in, get active, and start doing it properly. I'll see you on the inside.